Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Today we're making a mask, but it's going to be a little different because we're making a whole bunch of masks. We're going to need a lot of foam. It's going to be a lot of this, and it's going to be a lot of this, and it's going to be a whole ton of hot glue sticks. So I'm assembling it the same way. We're cutting out each piece out of the foam and then sticking them together with tabs. I did the first one with cardboard tabs, just like I did with the blue dragon that I made. Check out the card for that one. But then I decided to switch it up a little bit. I experimented with making the tabs out of really thin foam strips, and that actually worked really well. And then after the whole thing was assembled, minus the bottom jaw, I wrapped the whole inside with fiber tape. And then right there you see that I'm wiring up the eyes. And the eyes are actually made out of hot glue, so more hot glue. And you can see how I did that in my fish video. Check that one out in the card. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a hard hat suspension so that we can have a really sturdy fit on our head, and it's actually adjustable. There's a little ratchet on the back. And then the eyes actually have battery packs hooked up to them, and those hook up to a switch, and you can turn the eyes on and off, and they glow red. That's all 5 dragons built and assembled. Last thing to do is give him a paint job. But before we paint these, we gotta send this guy into battle. Battle scar. So we've got a couple back here. That's just the primer coat. We've got a whole bunch of spray paint left over from other projects, so we're just gonna use that up. Most of these modern spray paints, they're paint and primer in one, so we're just slapping on whatever coat of color we have. This is bright yellow, even though this dragon mask is going to eventually be white. Just as a primer, cover up all the caulk and all the writing, and just put a layer of paint on it. Like, who cares? Use this crap up. And then I've got my nice finished color over there. And then, just for fun, we will real quick just heat seal the foam with a heat gun. And then while we're here, we're gonna spray the inside of the mouth black, just so you don't see any of that. I'm quickly running out of space in my tiny little garage. These things are huge, but they're looking really good now that they're painted. I'm happy.